Your site header is the top of your website, basically where your logo goes. You have different options. You can upload a basic site header, which you can either just write in a name and choose which font you want to use and the size that you want it to be displayed at, and it will be displayed in text at the top of your web page. That part will be automatically done for you in case you don't do anything further. However, by adding an image, either a logo or something like that, you're able to do a lot more with the site header. You could click to browse and upload a logo that you've already created. So I'm going to choose my logo here, and I can also put in alternative text. So I could say photographer in Swindon or wherever I am, which is going to also help with my search engine optimization. I can also choose where my logo is going to be displayed, whether it's in the center, left or right of the page. And I can also make my logo a link. So if I wanted it to link through to my domain name or to a particular page of my website, maybe my contact page or something like that, that's all there for me as well. Once I've put in this data, just click on any of the Save All buttons and it will upload that logo that we selected and uploaded. Remember, this is uploading a file from your computer. Ideally, you want that to be a transparent PNG file or a JPEG or a GIF. Ideally, uploading a transparent PNG file means that you can change the colors of your website without it having a block where your logo is of a particular different color. You've also got the advanced site header. If anything at all is in this text area, then we will completely ignore the basic site header above. So if you do put anything, even a space, into this text editor, you really want to make sure that it's your complete header or don't use it at all. The advantage of using an advanced site header is that using the table tool, that's the one right here, you're able to set up not only your logo but maybe your phone number, maybe your email address, maybe your social media icons as well into the top section of your site. You've got other ways of doing it as well if you don't want to do that, but it's just another way of you being able to format it to display the way that you want to your visitors. You can also add widgets into here, so if you wanted something like your Facebook news roll or your Twitter feed or something like that being displayed in there, or even the password box for your collections, you're able to do that in the advanced site header. Carrying on scrolling down, you'll also see your email header. This is displayed at the top of every email that's sent out from the system on your behalf to your clients. So for example, after a purchase, we send them their invoice, all of that's automatically generated, and we will put your logo up at the top. Put this up at the top from your email header. Remember that if you haven't uploaded anything at all into your email header, then we will display what is in your site header instead. If there's nothing uploaded in your site header, then we will display your trading name just as text up at the top. Then carry on scrolling down, you've got the favicon, or some people say favicon. This is the tiny square icon that you see in the address bar, so you'll see it up here sometimes, and also in favorites. And again, it's just an easy way of people being able to recognize your site. It's 16 pixels square. If you do upload a larger size file, we will automatically resize it to 16 pixels square. You really want to have a look at the way that you design it, and you will find sites that will design favicons especially for you, but you really want to make sure that it is at least recognizable, maybe not reading it, but at least recognizable when you upload it. So I've just uploaded a 16 pixel favicon icon. And then finally, down at the bottom, you get some related settings, which are basically for search engine optimization for pages that you haven't added any metadata to. It will then automatically use anything that you've put into this area. So meta description, meta keywords. Read the help articles for much more information on metadata.